I'm Ed Mijares. I come from the Philippines, and I'm a retired businessman. I've been flying helicopters for 22 years. I've been flying a McDonnell Douglas 500D model, which is due for retirement, and that's why I'm shifting to a 505 Jet Ranger X, which I think is a very good replacement for my MD 500. My favorite features, okay? Number one is the overall design. Number two is definitely the FADEC setup that was designed for the 505. And next, of course, is the configuration of the cabin. And it's a beautiful aircraft, as you can see from behind me. I've been flying MDs with 5 blades. This is 2 blades. So initially, I was concerned about that. But now, I see the advantage, several advantages of the 2 blades over the 5 blades. It's wider and longer. It's got more inertia power. And most of all, for me, since I rent space in the hangar in the Philippines, it's more compact. So it takes less space in the hangar, and I pay for every square inch of space. My MD is a smaller aircraft, yet it has 5 blades, and it reaches out farther. It takes more space. I would think would be the best possible replacement for the MD 500. It's got the space. The configuration of the seats is very ideal for my kind of flying. The 505 configuration is 5 seats as well, but you have all the room. You can actually read a newspaper in the back there while you're flying. You cross your legs if you want. And it's got a lot more payload. I can feel the power and the performance. Didn't realize that all I had to do was simple inputs. Versus my 500D, you have to have major inputs. I'm really satisfied with the 505. Physically beautiful, amazingly well designed. As a pilot, this is a pilot's machine. The 505 is a pilot's machine because it's easy to relate to the controls, and there's immediate combustion between the machine and the pilot. That's why it's a pilot's machine. And it will be my machine forever, as far as I'm concerned. I'm pretty happy about the 505, and I'm looking forward to my delivery of the aircraft. I've been to many academies, and this is my first time here at Bell. And I'm totally amazed at the facility and the number of instructors here, knowledgeable instructors. My instructors are very well equipped, very well trained. My experience for this week, words cannot explain right now. I'm very happy and satisfied with this one whole week of instruction. Yeah, and I'm looking forward to coming back here several times over a period of many years to come.